Okay, I'm going to do some spark plugs on a 2012 Yukon, GMC Yukon Denali. And on the driver's side you can see that there is a coil, there is the coil, and there's a spark plug, and all four of them are fairly easy to get to. But on the passenger side, I don't know if you can tell by this shot right there, but the far rear passenger side, that one is going to be pretty hard to get to because there's not a lot of room. But I have a thin ratchet and we'll see how we do with that. Okay, so here we go. Okay, we're gonna take all the spark plug wires off just like that, because they go straight down, so you can't really get them mixed up. So let's get them separate, and since we're replacing them, we can actually take them off. But we're gonna take them all out. Okay, I'm going to take the old one out. Got a little extension on there, and oh, that's not so bad. So I have the new spark plug. It's an iridium plug. I put a little bit of anti-seize on it. You don't really have to, but you know, why not? I'm going to hand thread it to start, because that's what I like to do. Make sure it goes in straight. Once I get it going all the way, there we go. Then I can put the tool on it. And you don't have to gap these things. They should come pre-gapped. And then I'm just going to tighten it just a little bit, quarter-inch, eighth of inch. There we go. Don't go crazy. And that's it. I'm going to put the new spark plug on it, wires on it, and it should be good. Okay. To put the wires on, I put both ends. I put some silicone paste in there, and all you have to do is just put it on. This part is fairly straightforward. Push it in until you hear a click. And then put the other side into the, well, there you go. That should be it. Alright, let's do the other side. Alright, so to get to the last spark plug, every other one I used a normal 5/8 spark plug with the shortest adapter I have, 3/8. But that's too long, it won't fit in there, okay? If you take the adapter out, the socket here is too long. So what I did was I had a 16mm, right there, you can tell it says 16mm, 1/2-inch drive, which is considerably longer. Then I put a 3/8 to a 1/2-inch adapter on it, so I can use my 3/8 drive it, and that was actually the perfect length for it, and that's how I took that last spark plug out this time. Otherwise, you'd be fighting it all day. Alright, so next time, try that.